Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in front of us today, we do have the official Google case for the Google Pixel 8a. So I went ahead and picked up this case because I really did like it on my Pixel 8 Pro, and it is the case I'm rocking right now. And for a price of $29.99, which honestly for a company making their own case is a really fair price compared to Samsung and Apple, for example, I do think that Google makes a great case for the price. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so opening it up for the first time. Here we have the case in this paper pouch. Moving the box to the side and taking our case out. Here is a look at our official case. Alright, so just like my 8 Pro case, this feels really nice and smooth. It has a very premium finish to it. We do have a nice little Google logo, which is shiny and probably made out of aluminum. And then we do have the silicone back. And if we do compare it to the color on the phone, honestly, it's very similar, except the phone is a tad bit darker compared to the case, which is completely fine. Inside, we don't have any soft touch material, unfortunately. On the Pixel 8 Pro case, you do. However, we only have a plastic back inside of here, and it just says Pixel down there. So if we do go to plop our phone inside, go ahead and start with the left side, just push down. Voila. So very nice and easy to place inside, which should be obvious. And here is a look at our official case on the Pixel 8a. So it looks and feels really good on this phone, and honestly, I am still a fan of Google's own cases. So if we take a look at the back once again, we do have a nice little lip going around the camera lenses, and it's going all around it. So if you do drop it on its back, it should be fine in most circumstances, but I wouldn't trust this case as much as some other cases, as this doesn't have as much cushioning as some other cases. I feel like Google's cases just feel premium, look really nice, and they are fairly thin, but protection wise, they do go down a little compared to some other cases. On the side, we do have obviously our buttons, which are color matched. On the Pixel 8 Pro case, we do actually have metal buttons, which look really premium, but I guess for their budget device, they are trying to go with a budget looking case, which I don't mind, but I would have preferred the aluminum buttons. On the bottom, we do have our speaker grill cutouts with a nice little USB-C cutout, which actually doesn't go above onto the display like these speaker grills, which looks really nice. Up top, we do have a microphone cutout, and once again, we still do have our wireless charging support with this device. Our cameras are perfectly protected. Our front display is perfectly protected, as the lip is going all around this display. And again, if you do drop it on its face, it should be fine. So testing out the buttons real quick. Hopefully Google's nailed this as it's their official case, but let's go ahead and test them out. Starting off with the volume rocker, which is really hard to actually click. And then moving on to the power button. Honestly, I would have expected better from Google, as this is their own device. So let me go ahead and compare it to the Pixel 8 Pro real quick. And again, as I said, with the Pixel 8 Pro, we do have the metal buttons, and if we do click them, they are really easy to click and really easy to use. So compared to the Pixel 8a case, honestly, I am kind of disappointed. It's really hard to actually click those buttons. And some people ask why you do that. It does get annoying after a while. It's just harder to click the buttons for no reason. And especially with Pixels, the volume rocker, you know, it's a little harder to bring it up and bring it down. And so I would have wished they had some easier buttons to click. However, moving on, we do have a speaker cut out up top, so again, we aren't going to be losing out on any of the sound. Overall, a pretty decent case. Other than the buttons, which were really disappointing, I do think Google makes some really nice cases. They feel, again, very premium and look very premium. And again, we do have multiple colors, so this isn't the only option you have. So that is basically going to wrap it up for this video. As always, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will have the links in the description. So see you all in the next one.